This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. This is AP Physics, homework number 12.2, question number 12. It says something about semiconductors. Semiconductors are used to fabricate solar cells, blah, blah, blah. A transparent thin film whose index of refraction is 1.5 to minimize reflected losses from the surface. A solar cell index of refraction 3.5 is coated with a thin film. So I've got 3.5 here, I've got the thin film with 1.5, and I've got air with an index of 1. It says find the minimum thickness that produces the least reflection at a wavelength of 615 nanometers. Again, this is the case where we're going to use this in order, no quarter concept. So we're going to ask, is it in order, and then will it reflect? Well, we have 1 to 1.5 to 3.5, so it's definitely in order, so we're among this. And it says I want least reflection, so I want no reflection, so I need a quarter of the wavelength. I need this thickness here to be 1/4 of the wavelength of the light when it's in that substance. I know that the wavelength out here is 615 nanometers, so I need to find the wavelength in here and then divide that by 4 to get the thickness of this film. So again, I'm going to use the equation n1 lambda 1 equals n2 lambda 2. So n1 is 1, lambda 1 is 615 nanometers, n2 is 1.5, and lambda 2 is what I'm looking for. Once I solve for lambda 2, then I'm going to do the no quarter right here because I want no reflection at 615 nanometer light coming in. So that's the thickness I'll have. It'll be a quarter of this lambda 2 is going to be my answer. Now this says answer in units of nanometers. Since I'm going to have nanometers already, then I'm set. I don't have to convert to meters and then back to nanometers.